Okay, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a fast loader, or a speed loader, as some people call it. You're going to need a hollow pin that you have hollowed out and can fit a BB inside. BBs, Airsoft pellets, whatever, and anything that can fit inside the pin to push the BBs out. And you might need a knife if you have a pin to pick off the ink and the cap at the bottom and the top. And they got a clip to show you how it works. First, you get your hollowed out tube. Make sure it's rounded out, and if you want to, see what I did to mine is that, so I don't have to thoroughly put them in. I bit on it a little bit. Then hit my tank of BBs. Press it even harder as you go. And as you can see, it loads itself. So all you have to do is put pressure on it and it should load itself. Next, you get whatever you said that you could stick in your paintbrush. Like for me, I got a paintbrush. So I'm about to show you how it works. Take your clip, hook it up into your involvement line. Push. Some might fall out. And hey, you got BBs. Full clip.